Sobrang memorable ng gown mo pala. Ng memorable ng gown mo. Parang ang dami. Kamusta ka?
Okay naman po. Happy.
Happy. Ako super happy. Na-relieve. Naalala ko yung evening gown performance mo last year. Sobrang memorable.
Nakakakilig pala, no? Just to share the experience. Kasi when I judge in the Philippines, the provincial pageants in the Philippines, when you see the gown, you get kilig. Kinikilig ako. Tapos lagi kong mini-message si Daddy na parang, Daddy, look at your gown. Kasi sila naman yun eh, Daddy Rian Fernandez. Pero iba pala yung feeling kapag napanood mo in person, tas nasa ibang bansa ka na parang, wow, the effect, the impact that you made
Oo.
with these people.
Pero ang
Yeah.
tanong ko, ano masasabi mo sa production ni...
Okay, it's like, let's get grand. Grabe.
Mo na ba?
Kaya mo
mong
ganun din.
kapasan yung gano'n?
Wow.
Tutulay ka ba ng sa apoy? Talagang
O parang yung ganun.
Hindi ko pa alam, pero ibang klase talaga mag-isip. Wow, congratulations to the whole production team of Miss Grand Thailand, Miss Grand Organization. Amazing. Wow.
Pero kasi Emma, ang iniisip ko kasi, sana sa iyo binigay yung moment na gano'n. Ang ganda pa.
Ako okay lang po kasi I think we have different moments po and deserve ni Gatchabel. Sobra. Ang galing sumayaw.
Yes.
Pero nagiging parang magkamukha na nga sa
Napansin mo.
Oo, kanina sumasayaw siya tapos nanonood ako din sa TV. Parang,
Parang uling ko nga, kaya ko nga naisip.
pati si Mami Teresa sabi niya, you look like twins.
Kasi lagi na kayo magkasama.
Yun na nga. Pero ibang klase talaga production. And I'm so excited also to visit different Miss Grand pageants all around the world. Our next stop is in China for Miss Grand Hong Kong and Macau. So I can't wait to see the beautiful people of Hong Kong and Macau.
Di ba Myanmar ka din?
Yes, after Hong Kong, Macau.
Balita ko na yung Macau.
Mhm.
Ang alam ko nga, March 29.
No po.
Okay,
Yes,
So,
next month.
Correct natin yun.
Next
And then,
month.
Meron kang Myanmar.
Yes po.
Tapos,
Myanmar.
meron ka pang, may nabasa pa, may Europe pa.
We have European countries. So coming soon, let's just wait for the announcement of Miss Grand International.
But sa Cuba, hindi ikaw yung pumunta.
I think po because of the schedule, dahil nung time na yun, nasa Paris Fashion Week naman ako.
Itong Paris ay para iba
For Leo
to, di ba?
Almadal.
For Leo, Kuya Leo Almodal.
Kasi alam mo, parang sarili siyang mudla.
Pero pinapaalam lahat ng lakad with Miss Grand.
Ko kasi doon, parang you're making your own itinerary. Parang gumagawa ka ng sarili mong ganap para hindi pa ako sasabihin.
Parang, parang siguro nasanay naman din ako. Sabi ko nga, I always say na if you win or not, it's still, parang nasa sayo pa rin kung paano mo gagawing memorable. Especially right now, this coming March 31, we will be having bazaar. It's purpose with your purchase. I am going to be with other queens like Joy Barcoma, Chelsea Fernandez, Krishna Gervidas, and few more queens. So, yung proceeds po na mapagbebentahan, yung proceeds ng bazaar, idodonate po namin in connection with Women's Month ngayong March. So, hahabol pa rin kami.
O, i-announce ko din.
Yes!
Ingat, Emma.
Thank you so much. Yes, Mama Sam.
MGI All Stars. So, anong tingin mo dito?
I'm excited
Oo.
because this is the first edition and we don't know kung kapareho ba ng MGI. We don't know what Papanawat is looking for. But I'm excited because one of my friends, Gazini Ganados, will join Miss Grand All-Stars. And I think a lot more from different countries coming soon. Abangan. Medyo may matunog din yatang pangalan.
Pasok sa atin ulit.
Open pa yung ano.
Meron.
Yes, open pa po yata.
29 pa lang yata yung na-announce eh.
Bakit
It's gonna be on
Ang dami
May.
tao. Apat na.
I think this time for Miss Grand All-Stars, they will not represent the country, they will represent themselves. Yeah.
New update.
That's what I know po ha. No, matagal na po yun. Yun yung sinabi nila. Oo, but I don't know if nag-change.